Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LicQual Level 2 certificate in highways maintenance, curbs and channels construction. The aim of this qualification is to equip learners with the knowledge and understanding associated with the job role of highways maintenance operative. The qualification is appropriate for apprentices on the construction civil engineering, highways maintenance, apprenticeship framework. This qualification has been accredited onto the Regulated Qualifications Framework (RQF). Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.